Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 20th September. And first of all, national news. Bangladesh, Pak have higher percentage of women in lower house than India. Chosen by God for pious task, Prime Minister pushed women's bill in new parliament. Very productive couple of days, White House official on India's G20 presidency. Technician who helped build Chandrayaan-3 launchpad now selling IDLIS. India-Canada tension. India has rejected the allegations as absurd and motivated. Government should consider age limit for social media use. High Court. Women's reservation bill will further strengthen Indian democracy. Prime Minister Modi. And now some international news. Welcome home. 5 Americans freed by Iran arrived in US. The center said the women's reservation bill is aimed at enabling greater participation. Azerbaijan launched military operation in Armenia, held breakaway reasons. COVID severity much lower now, but 3 symptoms remain, New York doctor said. Pakistan begging before the world while India reach moon, NAWAZ. US Abrams tanks will be entering Ukraine soon, top defense official. Britain said to continue trade talks with India despite Canada allegations. Vladimir Putin and Xi Jinping to meet in Beijing in October, Russia said. And now some sports news. The men's Indian football team began their Asian Games campaign on a forgettable note on Tuesday. After successfully winning the Asia Cup, Team India's next assignment is the 3-match ODIs against Australia. Going as world champions, India shuttler Lakshya Sen ahead of Asian Games. Atanu Das in focus as recurved archers hope to shake off Asian Games, JINX. Asian Games, India beat Cambodia 3-0 in volleyball. Now news related to business. Working on using artificial intelligence to reduce pendency of consumer cases. Government. RBI on an overdrive to set up fintech self-regulatory body, PQ exclusive. States shifting to old pension scheme major step backwards, RBI article. And that's all in news. Thank you.